In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Vinted. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can update your photo with confidence. We'll be using the Vinted website on a desktop browser, and I'll guide you through exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and head to vinted.com. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the menu items appear. If you're redirected to a regional version of the site, that's fine. Just make sure you're on the main homepage where you can access your account options. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. It may appear as a small circle, a silhouette, or your current profile photo if you already have one. Click that icon to open the account menu. This is where Vinted groups your personal settings and profile-related options. From the menu that opens, click Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can see your public information such as your username, bio, and existing profile photo. Think of this page as your storefront. Keeping it updated helps buyers and sellers recognize you. On your profile page, click Edit Profile. This puts your details into an editable mode so you can make changes. You'll see fields for your information and a dedicated section for your photo. Keep an eye on that photo area. That's where we'll make the update. In the photo section, click Choose Photo. This opens your computer's file picker so you can select an image stored on your device. Common image formats like JPG or PNG typically work well. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit head and shoulders picture with a simple background. A square or near square image usually displays nicely without awkward cropping, and a high-resolution photo will look sharper on your profile. Now select your chosen photo from your files and click Open. After you make your selection, the site will begin uploading the image. This can take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and the file size. You'll usually see a preview appear on the page once it's uploaded. If the preview doesn't look the way you want, you can click Choose Photo again and pick a different image. While the upload is processing, avoid refreshing or navigating away to ensure the change is applied properly. That's it. Your new profile picture is set. If you don't see the update right away, wait a moment or refresh the page to confirm. Keeping your photo professional and consistent helps other users recognize you and builds trust in your listings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed profile on Vinted.